Hello friends, welcome to Spoonful of Pleasure. Today I'm here with a quick and easy recipe of cheesy egg bhurji. You can find the list of ingredients in the description box. Let's start with the chilies, tomatoes and onions. We will take a hot pan and add some oil and butter. Once the butter melts, let's add some cumin seeds. Then goes the onions. Chopped chilies. Once the onions are brown, add the chopped tomatoes with some salt. Give it a toss, cook for some time and then add some water. Once the tomatoes are mushy, we'll add the powdered spices, starting with turmeric powder, coriander powder, cumin powder and red chilli powder. Mix and cook them for some time. Meanwhile, we'll prepare the eggs. Crack the eggs on a bowl, add some salt, whisk it well with a fork. Don't forget that you have also added some salt in the masala. Now that the masala is ready, sprinkle some Garam Masala and pour the egg. Mix it well, but make sure you don't overcook it. To make it cheesy, we'll add some cheese. Garnish it with some fresh coriander leaves. Your spicy scrambled egg or egg bhurji is ready. If you liked the video, please like, subscribe and share.